How to save all the photos on your Facebook Messenger at once. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save all the photos that have been sent on your Messenger all at once. So to do that, make sure you have updated and installed the latest version of Messenger on your app so that you won't miss out any new features. After that, you can simply open the profile of the person that photo you want to save. So if it is about single photo, then you can simply tap on this option, which is down right arrow, and the photo will be saved. But you want to save all the photos that certain someone had sent on your Messenger. How can you do it is go on the top left side, go on the settings option, which is the gear option, scroll down and down up until you see the option of photos and media, and you can see on the first option there is the option of save on capture. When you enable it, any photos that anybody will send you on the Messenger will be automatically saved on your gallery. This is how you do it if you want to save all the photos. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and also comment in our comment section.